Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy and excited to see you again over here, guys. Thanks for coming to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you like it. And this video is going to be about articles, as you already know, of course, because you saw the title and the thumbnail, right? Of course. So we have such articles as the, a, and an. So those are really confusing parts of speech, guys. Well, those are just one part of speech. So this is really confusing part of speech because they are defined different words, and for us non-native speakers in our languages we don't even have those words. Maybe there are in some languages but not in all of them, so we just don't understand the usage of those words, and it's really hard for us to understand where to use the, a, an, or the. So yeah, we have the and the. This is the one word, but it's pronounced different in different situations, guys. And today we're going to figure out how to distinguish them and where and when to use those and those articles, guys. And let's begin, guys, with a general explanation of our articles. I know it's probably not gonna help you, but I have to do this. I have to try. Maybe it's gonna help you guys. So we have two kinds of articles. We have definite and indefinite articles. So definite are, well, definite is only one article, the, but it's pronounced different, the or the. I'm gonna tell you why later. And we have indefinite articles, a and an. So we're going to use them in different situations as well, which I'm going to talk about later, guys. For now, definite articles are used for explaining, for define object which is everybody knows about, right? So they are used in the situations when you're talking about some object that people who you're talking to know about. So let's say you have a car at home. You have only one car and you live with your parents. So you're saying, hey mom, hey dad, how you doing? Today I'm going to use the car. So if you're saying the car, that means that there is only one car and your parents know about that car. Because if you're using just a random car, if you're having a couple of cars, for example, let's say you have two cars. One belongs to your dad, one belongs to your mom, and you don't know which one you're going to use. You're just like, hey mom, hey dad, I'm going to use a car. I'm going to use a car means I'm going to use some car. I'm going to use any car, right? You're not telling them exactly the car that you're going to use. It's going to be just mom's car or dad's car. You're going to figure out later, right? So one car, I'm going to use the car. Couple of cars which you don't know yet and parents don't know, I'm going to use a car. And the article an is used for the objects that start with the vowel like O, A, and so on. So I'm going to eat an apple, right? So A is a vowel. So we have such vowels as A, O, U, I, E, and I guess that's it. There are 5 or 6 of them. Well, we don't need this today, guys. Just remember, so an is used before vowels such as O, A, I, and so on. Moving on, guys, and now let's talk more about article the or the. Well, whatever you like, guys. And I'm going to give you a simple tip, a simple hint, how you can distinguish those two articles, right? All those 3 articles, guys. So this tip helped me a lot in learning articles and in speaking English at all. So if you want to use the, you can try to replace it with the word that. For example, if you're saying, hey mom, hey dad, today I'm going to use the car. So let's say you're having 3 different cars, and yesterday and for whole last week you used only one, let's say, red car, and your parents know it, you talked about it, they know you like it, they know this is your favorite car, and today you're saying I'm going to use the car. So your parents know you're going to use the red car, right? Or you can replace it, I'm going to use that car. So that means I'm going to use that red car that I used for the whole week, for my whole life, and so on. The one that I like, right? So you can replace the word the with that almost all the time. You can also say, I want to buy the computer. So that doesn't mean that you're going to go to the supermarket, to some shop, to some store, and choose computer from 1,000 of them. No, that means that you and your friends or you and your family have already gone there and chosen the computer. So you just know which one you're going to buy. So you're just like, hey dad, today I'm going to buy the computer. Or today I'm going to buy that computer that you and me went to the supermarket and chosen last week, right? So today I'm going to buy that computer, or today I'm going to buy that computer that we chosen. Or guys, I told you about the word the. So you know, the and the are pronounced different, but why? So the is used before consonant. Consonant is a letter like C, K, B, D, and so on. Or the is used before a vowel, the same as an, right? The article an is used before a vowel word. So we have such vowels again as A, I, E, O, U. So if you're having words starting with those letters, then you probably need to use the. For example, I want to eat the apple. So everybody knows about that apple, right? You have only one apple. It stands on your table, on your desk, anywhere. And you're just like, I want to eat the apple. So I want to eat that apple. Or also, guys, it doesn't have to be a vowel sound. You can also use it before a consonant if you want to like emphasis on something, like I like the car. So you're saying, I like that car. Of course, you can say, I like the car. But if you want to like emphasis, you want to show your strong feelings, you say, I like the car. Or, I like that guy. Or, I like the guy. Or so on, guys. So if you want to emphasize and show like strong feelings, you can also use the. But actually, it's used for a vowel word. So you're using it before a vowel sound. And now guys, let's talk about articles an and a. So we can replace them the same way as we can replace the with that. There are two words that can help us to use a or an. So those words are one, just a simple number one, and the word some, like I want some bread, I want some money, I'd like some eggs, and so on, right? So let's see in some examples. I'm going to buy a car today. So you're going to buy a car. You don't know which one, right? It's not like I'm going to buy that car. I'm going to buy exactly that car today. No, I'm going to choose. There are some like 10, 20, 100 cars, and I'm going to choose one and buy it today. So you can replace it with the word some, right? I'm going to buy some car today. There's like 100 of them, and I'm going to buy some of them. I'm going to buy one of them. Then also we have another example. We have like thousands of examples, right? I want to eat an apple. You're not saying I want to eat exactly that apple. No, I want to eat just some apple, or I want to eat one apple, right? So you can replace an with one or with some. Here both are fine, guys. So remember, if you can replace the with that, this is right, you can use the. Or if you can like replace a and an with one or some, then it's correct to use those a or an articles. Well, there's nothing really more to talk about those articles. I told you guys everything I knew, and now it's up to you if you're going to use my tips and like my hints or not in your life. It's better to use them because they really help. You can at least try to use them, guys. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. I really enjoyed seeing you guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if you did as well, you can leave like for me, guys. It really encourages me to make more videos. And don't forget to leave some comments down below about like your preferences in English. If you have like any ideas about my next videos, about my next video lessons to help you learn English, like about just your personal problems, guys. And well, this is it for today. As I said, you can leave a like. I already said it. I don't know why am I saying it again. Yeah, don't forget it, guys. And I'll see you soon. Goodbye.